Ready to turn your Odoo website traffic into cold, hard cash? Let's jump right into adding ads to your Odoo website. First, log into your Odoo backend and navigate to the website app. Click on the Customize tab on the top right, then select HTML Editor from the drop-down menu. This will give you access to the website's underlying code. Now, this is where the magic happens. Find the spot in your HTML where you want your ad to appear. It could be at the top, bottom, or even within the content. Paste your ad code snippet directly into the HTML at your chosen location. Consider different ad placements for maximum visibility. Experiment with placing ads above the fold, within articles, or in the sidebar to see what performs best. To track your success, use Odoo's built-in analytics or integrate with Google Analytics. Monitor key metrics like impressions, click-through rates, and earnings to see how your ads are performing. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try be testing different ad sizes, formats, and placements to optimize your ad strategy. Continuously analyze your data and make adjustments to maximize your revenue.